Welcome to episode 2 of our IBM Connections Customizer tutorial. My name is Christian Güdemann, I'm chairman of OpenNTF and CTO at WebGate Consulting, and I'm an app dev freak. If I want to start as soon as possible to develop scripts or customize the UI of Connection using later IBM Connections Customizer, I can use a tool called Greasemonkey. Greasemonkey lets you inject JavaScript code to modify the behavior of your web page in the browser. It's the same concept as IBM Connections Customizer is using, but only on your local browser. The perfect development setup and a perfect start to these new capabilities. So, download and install Greasemonkey in your browser. It's a Firefox add-on, very simple and straight ahead to download. And then we want to start with our first step. We want to, let's say, connections hello world or hello connection in this particular case. I copy the prepared script, go to my home page and start with the new user script. I use the script from my clipboard, save it. As you see, it's only saying hello connection with a simple alert. And I'm reopen the home page. It's saying hello connection, and again, and again, and again. It seems that this script is not capable to wait to the right moment to be executed. So, then let's wait for the right moment. Let's wait when our DOM tree is loaded, when the page is there to say hello. For this I've also prepared the script. And let's update our existing script with this new one. And see how this behaves. It's only one time saying hello. Why is this? Short explanation to the code. We are waiting until our DOM tree is ready, and for that we are using Dojo and using the require Dojo DOM ready. There is one special thing here I want to lay out. To accessing Dojo, we have to use this object unsafe window.dojo. Greasemonkey is sandboxing all scripts, so you do not have access to global objects in the way you have it normally. So that's the reason why you have to use unsafe window. But there is another thing we want to change. We want to change the look and feel of our UI. So we want to take control of the user interface. And the best way to do this is to provide a custom CSS. The IBM Connections Customizer will allow you to do this, but for development purpose you want to start fast and want to change the CSS on the fly and take control if everything happens as you want to do it. So also for this, Greasemonkey offers you a straightforward solution. I've also prepared for this a script. I copy it, go back to Greasemonkey and say new user script, use script from clipboard. See, the script is there. And this script is loading a custom CSS here and is taking that as a resource text and adds the whole style of the CSS. For this, the custom CSS has to be at the same place where the Greasemonkey script is. So let's go and take this CSS somebody has already prepared. Copy it to customize CSS and go and take a look how my new profile page looks like. So maybe you want to deactivate it, to go back. So deactivate the custom CSS, and here we go. Refresh, and the page looks again like you expect to see the profile page. So we have used Greasemonkey to inject a CSS file, and now we can customize the CSS as we want, and later on we can publish this CSS file via IBM Connections Customizer to our whole environment. To complete episode 2 here, tools like Greasemonkey for Firefox or TempoMonkey for Chrome let you build your initial draft of your customization direct in your local browser without having any deployment to IBM Connections Customizer. There is some work to do to bring this raw material into a form where IBM Connections Customizer can use it as an extension, but the basic work is done. Beside, you see some resources you may check out. What are your next steps? In episode 3, Patrick Edwards will show how you can enable Customizer for your IBM Connections Cloud. So stay tuned and watch episode 3 that all your development work can be published to your Connections Cloud instance. Thank you and have fun.